In a landmark year for Pine Knob Music Theatre, Stevie Nicks just helped the amphitheater notch a fitting milestone. Nicks will play the Clarkston venue on September 13, part of the run of shows unveiled Monday by Live Nation. The booking means Pine Knob now has 50 shows for its 50th anniversary season, which kicked off in May and will run through the early October. It's uncommon for Pine Knob to get a scheduling addition this far into the summer season, but Nicks' September date is part of a just-announced tour leg that will include several festival appearances and amphitheater shows, including a big night at L.A.'s Hollywood Bowl. It follows a run of spring shows that included a fest-closing set last month at Bonnaroo, where Nicks became the first female headliner in the event's two-decade history, playing a set of Fleetwood Mac classics and solo fare. Tickets for Nicks' Pine Knob concert will go on sale at 10 a.m. Friday via livenation.com. Stevie Nicks, 2022 tour dates Sept. 2 September 4, Snowmass, Colorado, JAS Aspen SnowmassSept. 8 and 10, Highland Park, Illinois, Ravinia FestivalSept. 13, Clarkston, Pine Knob Music TheatreSept. 17, Asbury Park, N.J.C. Here. Now FestivalSept. 19, Mansfield, Massachusetts, Xfinity CenterSept. 22, Bangor, Maine, Maine Savings AmphitheatreSept. 24, Bridgeport, Connecticut, Sound FestivalSept. 30, Dana Point, California, Ohana FestivalOct. 3, Los Angeles, Hollywood BowlOct. 6, Phoenix, Auction PavilionOct. 9, The Woodlands, Texas, Cynthia Woods Mitchell PavilionOct. 1, Alpharetta, Georgia, Ameris Bank AmphitheatreOct. 16, Nashville, Ascend AmphitheatreOct. 19, Charleston, S.C., CreditOne StadiumOct. 22, Charlotte, PNC Music PavilionOct. 25, Tampa, Mid-Florida Credit Union AmphitheatreOct. 28, West Palm Beach, Florida, I Think Financial Amphitheatre.